Hello, we're the team of Legendary Fish, and we present you the plant-based seafood revolution. I'm sure many of you have tried veggie hamburgers or sausages before, but how many of you have tried veggie fish? Probably not too many, because those products hardly exist on the market right now. We want to change this. As Legendary Fish, we produce and sell plant-based seafood to restaurants and food retailers for a starting price of €65 per kilogram. The market for seafood is about €135 billion per year in the world, while the salmon market, our first product, is about €5.5 billion per year in the European Union alone. The plant-based salmon market in the European Union is about €30 million per year, which is rather small, but it's projected to increase sharply in the upcoming years. Our beachhead market are restaurants that sell seafood in Europe, and we want to partner with about 4 to 5 partner restaurants in major European cities for our market entry. We give our customers a unique value proposition. First of all, our products have a longer shelf life of up to 10 times longer compared to conventional fresh salmon, which means reduced costs for shipping and less food waste. Also, our products are healthier because they do not contain any heavy metals, antibiotics and growth hormones, or microplastics, which are substances commonly found in conventional fish. The product that we produce is 3D food printed plant-based fish fillets. Why 3D food printing? Let me explain. With this technology, we can produce complex products such as salmon fillets or tuna steaks, which do not exist on the market right now, as our competitors currently only offer products such as ground tuna or fish sticks. This is a new and patentable technology, and we have a first mover advantage. The ingredients we use are sourced locally, and the nutritional value of our products is similar to conventional fish. In our customer discovery, we talked with about 25 restaurant owners and food retailers and asked questions such as how many times per week does seafood get delivered to you, where the answer was 2 to 7 times per week, depending on the restaurant. Also, we wanted to know what's the percentage of customers that order vegan or plant-based food, where the answer was 10 to 25%, and the percentage of customers asking for sustainability aspects, so is the food organic and where does it come from? The answer was 15 to 30% of the customers, depending on the restaurant. Regarding our financials, the cost for us to produce the product is about €24 per kilogram, while the price we ask is about €65 per kilogram. We want to work initially with about 200 customers, so 200 restaurants, and sell about 40,000 kilogram products per year, which would mean a profit of €1.6 million for our market entry. The climate impact can be seen here. We calculated that our production will emit about 75% less CO2 compared to the production of salmon in a Norwegian aquaculture farm, which is mainly due to the use of plant-based ingredients. This is the team and this is our dream. We want to enable the next generation of plant-based seafood products and contribute to the recovery of the oceans, to actually have more fish for those who need it, such as rural, coastal communities who depend on fishing but cannot compete with industrial fishing companies. Also, we want to capture about 5% of the total salmon market in the European Union by 2030. And this is the team that will make it happen. I'm Robin, I have a background in biotechnology, then we have Teresa with a background in bioengineering, and we're completed by Hakan, who's the expert for 3D food printing. All three of us have a PhD in life science or engineering, and we partner with the company Felix Printers, who already has experience in upscaling of 3D food printing production facilities. With our company, we would like to offer customers from 2022 on the opportunity to choose sustainable, healthy, and tasty plant-based seafood products. Thank you.
And thank you, Legendary Fish. Let's see what kind of questions the members of the jury have for you. They already had quite some questions. Shloka, you're the first one who wants to raise a question.
Thank you so much. No, I have a real interest in this area. I just had a quick question, well, two quick questions. The first was, how does this sort of compare or compete with bigger retailers like Tesco in the UK, which has come out with its own private label fish alternatives, as well as Aldi in Germany? And the second quick question was, how do you see this actually disrupting the seafood supply chain? Do you see demand increasing as a range of sort of plant-based options become more and more available over the coming years?
I think so, yes. Regarding the own brands from the supermarkets, we really see ourselves as a new product category because so far only these unstructured products exist. Think of the fish burger. But we would be the first company in the world who actually offers something like a salmon fillet. This does not exist yet on the market. So we see this not as direct competition really. And yes, I believe that plant-based food in general creates more and more interest where both startups, but also more established companies enter this field. And I think that's fantastic. I think everything that helps the cause is yeah, we support that.
Okay, thanks. Clear answer. Who other members of the jury would like to raise a question? Yeah, Andrea.
Yes, thank you. Very interesting. Just a question. Are you also planning to just ask restaurants to have their own 3D printers and you actually just delivering the program and the material they print on site instead of transporting?
We get asked this question actually many times because 3D printing is cool. People like to watch it. People like to have it in the restaurant. And the thing is, it could be an option, but also to have the most impact, it would make more sense to produce large volumes in our own production facilities. But as a marketing gag, yes.
Great. One more question for legendary fish with a V. No more questions from the member of the jury? Wow, your pitch was really clear then. Okay, well, congratulations. Thanks so much.